I'm so pathetic.
Fratelli Alessandria specifically is trying to bring back, so it's been getting a lot more popularity.
情人节快乐！I think this one is even better. It's better than the one in Saisang. Thank you. I love the seasoning.蒜片是吧？这个好好吃。这个好好吃。这个太好吃了。I want to use this. What is this? I'm already full. I had caviar, a whole basket of margarine, salad, and now bread.
别当慢。
我都差点没认出来他。
为什么？
因为他上一次有很多头发。
不记得了。
Scallop lobster with rice. It's lobster rice, like risotto, and our favorite mushroom. Yeah. Did you taste the black truffle? Me too. I didn't taste. Mm. 没什么味儿啊，这个。 但调味有一点太奶了。I'm so pathetic. It's like crazy good. This is my lobster rice situation. Our 空碗。
And then go horizontal with it.
Oh.
Yeah, like that basically. Yeah, and then you kind of dip in the cheese.
Got
But
it.
you can eat it however you like.
No, I like this. 没有你，我什么都不是。The cook is like rare,
medium rare.
more rare than medium. But I like it.
I didn't do the, they give me gift cards.
辣椒、窝头，再给你点黄豆酱。
我为什么要跟你出来过情人节呀？I'm so full.
加油啊！马上就吃3秒了。我准备好了。
Thank you.
She'll love cake. Milk soft serve sundae, candied coconut, smoked salt, embered caramel here.
This is the best.现在沙拉是才好吃。这是什么？What is this? 旺仔 QQ 糖，是吧？I can't eat this because it has cinnamon, and I hate cinnamon. I can smell it. It's in the cake or the cream.
Medium cream。小 cream。面包可以尝一点。
No, I don't want it.
But I definitely do need to check it out.
Yeah, you have to.
Really good.
Thank you. And we're ready for the bill.
Yeah.
No, it's so good seeing you two again, by the way.
Yeah.
I always have so much fun with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, us too. Yeah.